Yeah, they can't seminar to your chain. Let's talk about a assembly before we go to the Bank of Ghana issue. This issue is very important too to Ghanaians, and it's got to do with the NPP sitting in Parliament and calling Senator Rawlings say or a daughter of a murderer. You see, Ghanaians, Makacham say this party called the NPP is a party we are not supposed to allow. We are not supposed to allow close to anything. Our friend power. We all know what happened in Parliament. Samuel Abu Jinapo and MPP for now Senator Rawlings, who is the daughter of a former president, and Kenya JJ Rawlings and MPP Muawe, MPP Nyaiwe, Omuni Omumpeni for Nkwaranyina, and democracy in Komuntimune. And yet JJ Rawlings, and we owe our independence and our democracy to JJ Rawlings and Kwame Nkrumah. We owe our independence and our democracy, Kwame Nkrumah and JJ Rawlings, we owe it to them. Because Kwame Nkrumah krana na opese odi ye independence ne ba oye bibia na nkwasiafo ye saa ku Kwame Nkrumah NPP for the ku Kwame Nkrumah omdi JB Dankwamo, they were CIA agents. They are the ones who found ways to kill Kwame Nkrumah. Nana do Dankwa Akufo Addo na nebusuafo de ku Kwame Nkrumah NPP for we. These are the same people. Kwame Nkrumah, upon all that he did, look at the number of times someone tries to make Kwame Nkrumah assassinate him because they felt to say enisa Ghana yenya democracy. Kwame Nkrumah ye de obeye nyina ewie 57 or my independence. And a JJ Rawlings baye 1992 no dey call what we call a democratic state, a democratic dispensation. And almost started here and a JJ Rawlings o free abemu after 8 years ko for baye no be a reconciliation. Say JJ Rawlings no yempe kwan bi so na Ghana for ento ne hye eye den ka ase na ye nia Ghana for nku no into the reconciliation by a senka. NPP party for sorry abeka say na mete santase and a Rawlings twi tuo bo me papa trimutuo enso ebe sinde kwase ampanyi bia ntumi antwi de camera entumi amba reconciliation enim anka say na me gina ho na Rawlings ku me maame ana me papa. So the NPP as a political party, they have never cherished the democracy we have enjoyed. It is in Chabwano Mugu Parliament, some from minority, no. Saying, can you JJ Rawlings and Kwame Nkrumah? Let's stick to JJ Rawlings. Saying, JJ Rawlings or the about democracy, and Kamudu do and come down and moi. And so we need to understand. So for them to come out and say, JJ Rawlings Sebio and Namno so JJ Rawlings or ya wuneni and Namno so Emma Sebio I can for party full way ebe ye party ayaja to mende emun kwasi for to the president no omu to me jina parliament no maka kire JJ Rawlings ba say JJ Rawlings ne bana ne papa e med JJ Rawlings e murderer. This is Ghana. This is Parliament of Ghana. In this country where ya sema I was say you twa asem bi disusu no. Sa asem we asema e wo se obi mponya excuse e ka se onka asem we into obi aka asem we wo parliament floor na camera picking and na sound picking obi betuma agina TV so na radio so e defend asem we e kire wo ye preko ba. The man who gave you democracy, because of the man now about democracy and the kwasia to say wa e twehwe him usisi achia no utumi ekoba no etumi tena Ghana say oya santini ba yokoni ba oya wuneni ba eye enzimani ba no wo kwasia sa no sa JJ Rawlings ne ma wo papa sa democracy man tumi tena emu e man ko bo tutu wo into would any reasonable intelligent person say there is an excuse for this. Say NPP for Gina Parliament etumi ka asem we kire JJ Rawlings ba. Should any reasonable human being intinipa between betna TV so tena radio so say this is justifiable because assembly si mrebi na wo sa nipa no wo say you bow trimutuo if you say the JJ Rawlings ayama Ghana no nobody in the MPP can boldly step out and say why you change JJ Rawlings when the MPP more what contribute to the development of this country than JJ Rawlings when the MPP mo from time I see MPP Omoba NLM, Omoba UG, Omoba DNDBC MPP. Why no MPP more between what to JJ Rawlings? Why no MPP more? The contribution of JJ Rawlings to our democracy and Ghana as a nation. Why no MPP more between say or such and JJ Rawlings? None of these pigs. By unim they go to Parliament and they want to denigrate JJ Rawlings. They go to parliament and they want to look like, say, JJ Rawlings, neba a demonic. Mama yan respect JJ ba. And so majority of MPP for Mugu parliament, 99% of Mugu parliament were MPP for no. None of them can tell you about their father's contribution to Ghana's development. None of them. One or two, I admit, because before to say Samuel Abujinapo, Kwasiampenyi Weno, ne papa is still somebody we can call a statesman because his father has served. Samuel Abujinapo and John Abujinapo papa no, I give that man that respect because when it comes to Ghana's democracy, you can see clearly say, yes, Samuel Abujinapo papa no, he has shown, and you cannot write Ghana's history without including John Jinabo papa. John Jinapo ne papa, you cannot exclude him. But so omo maka ne nkwase aforo mugwara minim nipa wo MPP mu nne a ote parliamenta ye ka Ghana ye democracy any baby ya bedru ya. None of these people in parliament today, the 88 pigs, minim obi obetune ne papa to JJ Rawlings. So how come say a politician will stand in parliament and tell JJ Rawlings but say ne papa ye murderer? Now, highly offensive. Speaker orders NPP MPs to apologize to Senator Rawlings in 1 week. Speaker Alban Bagbin, I catch the MPP for former parliament and say he's giving them just a week. They should apologize to the Senator Rawlings. The same time, an investigation is being conducted. And you see, I keep telling the NDC for no, I know parliament, you want to be diplomatic. You want parliament to look like a unit. But when the people don't want to respect your founder, when the pigs on the other side don't want to respect the founder of the party, Awutima Edward Bedruha, it was JJ Rawlings who founded NDC. And can you JJ Rawlings, and can none of you guys in the majority are more 188 seats, none of you will be in parliament today. Even Alban Bagbin, saying can you JJ Rawlings and Alban Bagbin will not be here today. So at least you people should give this issue a special attention. And we want to hold parliament to some standards. And we want to look like we are united. Because that statement way, Sanka NDC in a Kayi, Abram 88 vote members are, and can kwastia form preko way. Do you know what they would have done in Ghana? Anka 2472 Bekasa. Anka Mampon Yene Bekasa. Anka the people who are behind the NPP as a political party, a tribal party, they all would have made a statement because waka setia bafwa koto. Imagine so be a sorry of parliament. Na obi ti say efiri yakoto kasa na NDC ni bi atiem ay ka kire omo say oh wo papa kowini wo papa nipa kumfo tenase oji sanka menhia kasa anka asante menhia beka say eye NDC party na bu menhia ni mutia identity today we are defending this. Why are the NDC MPs defending this nonsense? Why are you people not releasing a statement to tell us who actually made that statement? Identity, the leadership of the NDC, you are quiet. You want it to look like Yenya almost supporting JJ Rawlings, Omo Jimmy or Ghana. So at this point, I'm not even going to blame the MPP because Omo Jimmy, because they are stupid. Because we all know say it's a party carved out of foolishness and stupidity. The question is, why is the NDC sitting and not telling us who did it? Because you guys were facing them. You actually know who said it. You, the NDC leadership, Ay3ka, you know. So why are you preventing Ghanaians from knowing the truth? Unless you support the statement that was made against Senator Rawlings. Unless the NDC, every single NDC MP in parliament today, can you JJ Rawlings? Yes. Majority of you, and can you JJ Rawlings and Kamuniha? 99.9 of you, and can you JJ Rawlings and Kamunya a position in your life to be sitting here and being called honorables? And it is important that you give the man that respect and protect his name and protect his daughter. Because in Chabwa way, and Uncle Bibeka say, Tenase, Bafakoto, a woody niba, Unim Yankavesi or Ghana, and can Chabwa way be pity on my batemu, I'm a Ghana for you and say a young Quasia. And JJ Rawlings is being disappointed. The NDC at this point, more disappointed JJ. I'm in Chabwa MPP in Kwasiafowe. I denigrated the name of JJ and denigrated his daughter. And I'm going to Parliament. All of you sitting in the front, from Ay3ka to all those people sitting there, Infantinino, you people all saw the person who made a statement. Haruna Idrisu and the rest, you people all saw the person who made a statement. And you know the person who made a statement. So why are you people quiet? Is it because you people don't respect your party? And I say, Mojin say, MPP, NDC grassroots no more Jimmy. You are going to go back and face the grassroots. The grassroots now JJ Rawlings put it together, no? That grassroots that believes in the umbrella, the grassroots that fought for you people to come to parliament. In the next 4 years, you'll be meeting them. We expect the majority to release a statement and tell us who actually made that statement. I don't care about parliamentary investigations. Because in parliament, there are cameras. In parliament, there are people who watch that issue. In parliament, there were NDC MPs sitting on the other side who saw the person who made a statement. At this point, we know it was Samuel Abu Jinapor who made the statement. Till now, he has not denied, and if even he has denied, he has not told us who made it. So a denier, then he knows who made the statement. So for Samuel Abu Jinapor, Omba Bontin Meka say Nyamna Meka na because time and I Samuel Abu Jinapor to hobby. So for him to say it was not me, and him not telling us who did it, that it was Samuel Abu Jinapor who made that statement. Into this statement or this happening in parliament, it is very important to the NDC. The person who made the statement, we need to at least see the person. Say Sebio and I because it is important to say you protect the NDC. That name needs to be protected. Ghanaians, they need to protect the JJ Rawlings name, and they need to protect everything that comes out of JJ Rawlings. Into the NDC, you are the problem, not in Kwasiafo, because we know from day one, say, MPP, you cannot change that from them. That is how they are made. Parliament 88, none of them, contributed to the development of this nation. NPP for Parliament, none of them. Until they don't understand why they need to protect names, why they need to be part of a democracy. I might say nine, I might say prekumba, I might say a Jimmy for toilet mumwa. They don't think. They act like fools. So we are also not going to toe the line of fools. We are going to make sure, say, the NDC comes up and tell us who said it. After your marking Jimmy Fowe, Obianim so with Jimmy. He wasn't picked to be the leader because he was competent. He was picked because na MPP for you say central region for Jimmy. That is the reason why they picked him. Afenyomakin was made the leader of the MPP in parliament not because of a competent. Nana Danko Akufo Addo picked him because not doing same fanti for Jimmy. Until Jimmy needs to serve Afenyomakin a better MPP. That was that. But it wasn't because he is somebody who can basically negotiate, who is somebody who is reasonable enough to meet people halfway, somebody who has leadership qualities. They knew that so with Jimmy, but they thought they could lie to the fantis again. They told somebody to dad and fantiphobia minti yan fan fantini bakoa sebi on share and your phone fantini be dad and fantifor. But at the end of the day, they lost the seat in the central region. After your mark in Tam a majority, number 137 and 88. A chair party near Kwasia 4 party don't keep Afenyo as the leader. Now party muko bedimana muko wichi. So why do you want to even change the leadership of the party when the person you gave 137 seats to has brought the seat to 88? Now why do you have to change the chairman? Why do you want to change the general secretary? Why do you want to change your party executives? Because the panel would go for the parliament when to make keep seats. No, now chairman there no one. Because those in parliament who had the majority, he could not make any impact for the citizenry to vote for the MPP. And for the MPP to even ignore Afenyomakin to go say you could change the chairman, you could change the general secretary, you could change MPP no more Jimmy. Afenyomakin is the downfall of the NPP. Because your chairman is a leader of the NPP. NPP would have not lost the number of seats they lost. Never. Into who is supposed to be blamed? At least, chairman is lead Akufo Addo part 1. We saw the numbers. Akufo Addo part 2. We saw the numbers. So, any crowd to be keeping the numbers with Akufo Addo part 2. Why is it say part 3? The numbers dropped to 88 because the leader of that group heading into election 2024, with Jimmy, he does not know. He does not have leadership skills. He cannot gather his group. He cannot send a message out there say the party is united. He cannot make things because election 2020, the MPP had majority in parliament. So I want to make this clear. The NDC, they need to do more. The leadership of the NDC in parliament, we want to know more from you. You people saw the person who made a statement. Mahama Ayarga, you know. Don't pretend you don't know. You know. The people sitting at the front, you people all are aware and you know the person who made the statement. Nobody should pretend as if, say, their course for parliament, they have no idea. You people know. And we expect you people to come up and tell us who made that statement. Because the 88 animals in parliament, nobody, in the NPP, nobody can compare himself to JJ Rawlings. Me pese NPP for you nipa ba ko rom de compare JJ Rawlings. Yen so sa nipa no papa change JJ. Nobody. Me say me pese NPP for you one person no say this person is better than JJ Rawlings. None of the MPPs. And it is a JJ Rawlings etime save Ghana. Ema ne baso asa betena Ghana parliament etumi boa Ghana na intwaboa we nkwasiafo we ya obo papa nom and contribute to a dime to the development of this nation. These animals. Now yet Ghana, how are we going to build this nation? How are we going to build this nation? These are people who don't respect our democracy. And it's make a say, and that to any 88 MPs, no more MPP muno. Why na ne papa bet to me no want to JJ Rawlings? Why na war? Apart from John Samuel Abujina papa. Uye Samuel Abujina papa free MPP mua. Why and on one MPP ni oye ohene. May case Samuel Abujina upon make that statement, why na what MPP minority mo ne papa beto ne hwato to JJ for a fool on fools like this. Now nim dia ya, sa Patricia PJ ma me no to no. Ma me penyin toto sa no, obi ka bi kire na be ne ya. Wo santini ba. Wo ma me a wabo abrewa wadane abrewa, wo ye obi nana. Enkwara we di wechi e kan kwase asem. Why uti mu dwene wonum kan to. You could not come out to tell us that this is the person who said it. Now, oh, some are more person Ghana for Abu. Where Jimmy? Now, Patricia PJ, Utipani JJ. You don't want to show leadership. You sit in parliament and I'm watching Kwarachi and I'm Kwara Famo and I'm Odin Kwasiasem. Mami Penny Tisawo, who are leader of the NPP minority group. Mami Tisawo, you are a leader of the NPP group. You could not tell the as I say, this person did this, and me, baby, I know, say, JJ Rawlings should be respected, and his daughter should be respected. You know, and you are quiet, because Jimmy. Parliament, you don't want to show respect. How do we show you respect? Me, I see JJ Rawlings as an uncle, because I want to need to say me. And what JJ Rawlings has done for Ghana, none of you, Patricia J, nobody can compare themselves to JJ Rawlings. None of you people. None of you idiots. One kwasia for mudi JJ Rawlings atem. Na nkenye JJ anke grind to someone can be parliament abetna. Enye JJ Rawlings anke nyamba nyan twabwa te someone kwasia for anke mo benya parliament abetna e the parliament as someone ba ko gu abrochiri. O Patricia PJ baby a wodui. O baby a wodui. O tena konwa so na wudware. Mami penyi toto kwasiade na oto na nkora gu echi jimi omo ho. You cannot get up and say no. This is wrong. JJ kura meti anya meti pen no. Na JJ ba sa JJ ba o tiwe senator. Why na what MPP man the certification bedru no. Mon kwasia for 88 amugu no. 88 pigs na amugu no. Why and the certification ebedu Zeneta Rawlings? Why and the certification bedu no? So for somebody to sit in Ghana and say, I want to do comparison, be in brebi see ya boa, ya kwasia. Actually, you don't know. Actually, why are you say you are not ready to reason as a human being? And I'm sending this message to you, Mahama Yariga. Hey? So what's study me very well, Andra Mekaye. Me see the reason why na menka NDC as some parliament and say. They have been given a job to do, and that job is to make sure all the taxes they say they will make sure they cancel. And every bill that comes to Parliament, Ghana for Peno, they make sure that bill goes through. So far, 99% of the job they have done it, so I don't have a problem. I have a problem with this matter. And it's on whom I mean, thank Parliament because at this point they are still NPP has not been able to stop anything the NDC has done in Parliament. That is what makes me happy. And to me, I don't have an issue. But with this matter, I have an issue with Mahama Yarga. And if you people respect JJ Rawlings, if you Mahama Yarga, you respect JJ Rawlings, you respect what he has done for you, Mahama Yarga. Because Ankenya JJ Rawlings and Kahu Mahama Yarga, you will never get the opportunity to stand in Parliament. It's a fact. So Ankenya JJ Rawlings and Kahu Mahama Yarga, you will never have gotten the opportunity to stand in Parliament of Ghana to become a majority in JJ Rawlings' party. So, with all due respect, upon school, and you're judging the I said you're useless. So, make sure that you protect the name that has made you who you are today. The NDC needs to make sure that they protect that name that has made each one of them in parliament human being today. Because Ankenye JJ Rawlings are Ankamu Bedono, Anka Sebio, Ankeni Baby Amonanam, Ankebi Monanam Desert. So if you say Namuni opportunity, Munya that opportunity Amunyan and there. Into you people should give credit to the Rawlings name. You need to make sure in parliament, because parliament to be I respect JJ Rawlings. If you say parliament now landlord near JJ Rawlings. The parliament you are sitting in, if you're parliament, if you're near JJ Rawlings, every single person is a tenant in the parliament of Ghana. Because the person who had that idea to build a parliament for Ghana, near JJ Rawlings, into parliament now, Motinokrana, papano. So parliament, papana mutimuno, the idea of JJ Rawlings, into you are all foolish tenants. And you people, if you believe, say the tenants now moyeno, say mo landlord na or the mobile mu NDC for no. If you want to protect him, you need to do it now, because in Kwasia for no joining or dining, and you cannot allow these fools to destroy the name of JJ Rawlings.